Welcome back to Fabricating Awesome Stuff. In today's episode, I'll be installing the engine on my Sonex airplane. The engine is a kit that I purchased from Sonex Aircraft, and I assembled it myself with the included detailed assembly manual. This engine is based on the Type 1 Volkswagen Beetle engine and is a 4-cylinder air-cooled engine that's been highly modified with proprietary parts that were designed by Sonex to make it suitable for powering an airplane. This includes, among other things, 2 separate ignition systems. So the heads had to be modified to accept 2 spark plugs. One is fired by a magneto and the other is fired by a secondary electronic ignition system. The crankshaft is their proprietary design and includes a propeller hub. I'll also be installing a turbocharger system that was designed by Sonex that allows this 2180cc engine to be rated at 100 horsepower. Now, when I was filming this episode, my close-up camera went south on me, and so it only caught a small segment at the beginning. But fortunately, I had set up a time-lapse camera that caught the whole process, so that's great. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are any other details that you'd like to see. And so that's it. I hope you enjoy this episode. Time to install the engine.
Hey, do you mind if I take a picture?
No, you can take...
from the street, because I was always impressed how you got an airplane. I ride by here with friends and I go, the guy's got an airplane in there.
Yeah, no problem.
Alright, I just wanted to ask before I went and did it.
No, you're welcome.
Alright, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Have a good day.